Hello everyone. In this lecture we'll discuss about pointer to pointer. Pointer to pointer. So as you know, pointer is a variable that can contain memory address. Pointer is a variable that can contain memory address. This pointer variable takes some space in memory, and hence it has also an address. We can store the address of a pointer variable in some other variable, which is known as pointer to pointer variable. Again I am repeating, we can store the address of a pointer variable. As you know, pointer variable has some address space. So we can store the address of a pointer variable in some other variable, which is known as pointer to pointer variable. Generally, pointer to pointer is used while passing pointer variables to functions. And the syntax of declaring pointer to pointer is data type, then double asterisk symbol, then the pointer name. Suppose the pointer name is ptr. Here variable ptr is a pointer to pointer, and it can point to a pointer pointing to a variable of type data type. Again I am repeating, here this variable ptr is a pointer to pointer, and it can point to a pointer pointing to a variable of type data type. The double asterisk symbol used in this declaration informs the compiler that a pointer to pointer is being declared. For example, we are declaring integer, the variable is a and assigned as value as 5. Now there is a pointer, suppose the pointer is integer pa, and that stores the address of a. Now in pointer to pointer declaration, integer will write two asterisk symbols. Suppose the pointer to pointer variable name is paa, or you can write ppa, is equal to, here this holds the address of this pointer, so we have to write address of pa. Now ppa is a pointer to pointer that holds the address of another pointer, that is pa, which holds the address of variable a of type integer. Again I am saying, this is pointer to pointer ppa that holds the address of pointer pa, and pointer pa holds the address of variable a. Here type of variable a is integer. Type, this is the example, and type of variable a is integer type. Now type of variable pa is integer star. That means, or we can say this as pointer to integer. This is important one, you must remember, this is called as pointer to integer. Now type of variable ppa is pointer to pointer to integer. So you can write integer double asterisk, this is type, or you can say this as pointer to pointer to integer. This is also important one. This is pointer to integer. When we'll draw the diagram, you can easily understand this one. So there will be three memory locations here. So this is variable a. For this example, this is the variable a which contains the value 5 having some address that is 2000. This is simple one. This is the variable a of type integer which having the value 5 and the address is 2000. Now this is pointer PA. We have declared pointer PA that holds the address of A. Now PA holds the address of A. So here this is 2 byte memory location. This is starting address location 2000. The second address location is 2001. Now PA which holds the address of A. Now this address of A is 2000. Now in pointer to pointer, PPA that holds the address of pointer PA. Address of pointer PA having some address location. So here we can write the address is to 3000 and this is 3001. Now this is PPA. This is the pointer to pointer which holds the address of this pointer. This pointer's address is 3000. Now this contains the address 3000. Now this points to this pointer. Now this pointer points to this variable. This is the simple example of pointer to pointer. Here PA is a pointer variable which contains the address of a variable A. Address of variable A is 2000. This holds the address. Now PPA is a pointer to pointer variable which contains the address of pointer variable PA, which holds the address of pointer variable PA. Address of pointer variable PA is 3000. Now PPA, this is pointer to pointer, holds the address of PA. I hope you have understood about pointer to pointer. Thank you.